looks so ugly.
It's so funny.
It's like a rat.
Oh, it's kind of colder out here.
Swim! He doesn't want to leave here. He can fetch. How deep is it? Yeah.
Huh? Oh! Don't you dare,
Did you get that?
mister.
Come here.
No, no, Joshua! Joshua!
Come here. Get Mama. Come here.
Look at his
Found him.
look at his face. He's so cute.
Yeah, that's like the day we found him, all wet and mangy looking.
Come here. Don't you dare. No, sir. No, sir. Oh my god!
Right up the skirt.
No, you're cold. No, stop it.
Come on.
Don't you dare.
I'm gonna get you. Ah, dude. Dude.
Come on, stop.
Hey,
Oh my
easy.
god. No? Nuh-uh. Oh my god, you're freezing.
No,
You butthole. Control your dog.
I see my dog when he's in trouble. This how the kids are gonna be? Ah, you bitch! Ah, you kids are wet! Yeah! Yeah! How you like it?
Oh shit, no! Look at it.
Towel in your car?
No, I don't. I just had that blanket.
It's gonna get sandy on the way to get to the car.
We'll carry you.
Oh?
Carry you. I guess we'll clean him as soon as we get to the house.
Whose idea was it looking in the water?
Ah! It was not mine. He just followed me.